and Shelby.
Hi.
Today we're going to do an experiment called the lime volcano. We got that experiment from Mrs. Friesen. She's one of our 3-year-old teachers, and she did it with a lemon. And then she used the words and said that with any citrus, like a lime, that you might be able to do this experiment too. So we're going to give it a try. Okay, we're going to be using some limes, some baking soda. We're going to use food coloring, but you don't need food coloring. We just want to see the reaction a little bit better. And I have a little bit of lemon juice that we might squeeze on too, just to see if we have a different reaction than the lime juice that we're going to create. So what Shelby and I are going to do is we're going to roll our lime around so that way we can get the juices separated. We need to get as much juice ready for the reaction that we're going to have, that it's going to react with the baking soda. So we're trying to loosen it up, do a little squeezing, maybe a little rolling. Okay, are you squeezing it? It's good for your finger grip strength too if you're doing some squeezing on some fruit. Alright, once it's all loosened up, you think you're ready? I'm going to cut the tops off. If you try this at home, friends, your parents can use a sharp knife to cut the tops off. There I go. I'm doing more than half because I want to use most of the lime as part of the cup that we're going to do the experiment in. I'm going to cut Shelby's too. So I'm just cutting a little bit off the top. Okay, I can see there is some juice in there. It's nice and shiny. There's juice, but I want even more juice. So I'm going to use a plastic knife. Shelby's using a plastic knife. And we're just going to cut some of this stuff up inside. Turn it, twist it, get that juice really loose. Oh, that's rhyming words. Juice, loose. Okay. Is it getting juicy? Okay, you ready to put it on the table?
That's sour.
Sour? You giving it some taste? You need a wake-up call. You can lick the lime. It's a funny taste. All right, I have lots of juice. I don't know if you can see that, but when I squeeze it, give it a little squeeze, you can see the juice come to the top. All right, we ready? So what we're going to do is, now that we have one part of our reaction in there, the first part, I'm going to put some of my food coloring in. I'm using the color green. Shelby, what color are you using?
Blue.
Blue. All right, let's do it. We got to put your coloring on first. Okay, I'm putting some food coloring in there. Just a couple drops to see. Like I said before, it's not necessary, but I just wanted to make the reaction a little bit easier to see. Okay. Connor's my videographer. He's going to zoom in a little bit so you can really see the reaction when we put on the baking soda. You ready? You want some baking soda first? You ready to zoom in, Connor? Oh, you're adding some lemon to yours. Okay, I'm going to put mine on. Oh, here it goes. What do you see happening? Whoa, here, you want to try it on yours? I don't know if you can see it, but on mine, I've got some bubbles coming up out of the juice. The baking soda and the citric acid are coming together, and they're having a what?
Chemical reaction.
It's a chemical reaction. Oh, she put a lot on there. Now, what did you add on to there to get it to get even more bubbly?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Okay, I'm going to put some more baking soda on mine.
Very
Okay. Doesn't take a lot of ingredients, just takes enough. And then I'm going to use the top of my lime too, and I'm going to squeeze more juice on there so my reaction can continue to happen. Oh, here it goes. Can you see that bubble? Whoa, it's dripping off. It's overflowing. It's reacting so much that it's overflowing out of our lime cup. Now, Shelby is using our drip droppers. If you remember our drip droppers, it's the tube that we have the ball on the top, and you use your pincher fingers to squeeze the ball. Squeeze it and let go. Squeeze it and let go. And that helps it so when we're ready to pick up the juice, we can get it inside the tube. All right, I'm going to get some lemon juice. Squeeze it on top. there goes that reaction. So Mrs. Friesen did this with lemons, and she said it might work with limes too, and we are proving that's true. We can do it with limes too. Oh, look, she took all the juice, so I'm going to suck up some of the juice that's left over on our tray. This is her blue juice. And you could just pick it right up off the tray and put it on and still get some reaction every time you do it. We can put more baking soda on, we can put more juice on, and it'll just keep going and going and going all the way until we run out of ingredients. If you want to try this at home, you and your families can do it too. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.